Here in the video, we are going to talk about Pretendo error code 001-0804. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users try to connect to the internet or access online options in the game. According to our research, the error is likely caused by connection problems or server-side issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to shut down your device along with your internet and leave them for around 5 minutes. Then restart them and check for the error. If the error still comes, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot. Then check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, probably the issue is coming from the servers. So just wait for some time and try again later. Also, check if there are any announcements for server maintenance or server outage. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.